भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। ॐ विष्णु विष्णु विष्णु। अजः सर्वेश्वर सिद्धि सिद्धि सर्वादिरच्युतः। अजः अज ज means janma. There is no janma for this one. Gita says jatasya hi dhruvo mrityu dhruvam janma mritasya cha. The one who is born gets died, but there is no birth. So who is born? This is the very big question. If you ask anybody, excuse me, when were you born? We always say a date. I was born so much, so much. No, I was not named Kalin inside the belly of my mom. No. Was I named Kalin at that time? No. I came out. After that, what? Took some time before the name was given. So even the identity, that who you are, in terms of who you are, what you achieve, everything else, on your certificates that we get, everything. Do we have the birth? Really? Who has the birth? It's a very important question. Aja, that element of Vishnu is without any birth. So if it was not the birth, what was the element that traveled through? That's the thinking to be done. So Aja. And many times we say, I was born on, say, for example, I was born 50 years ago. But we don't necessarily take the 1 year that was inside the mom's, not 9 months inside the mom's belly. So what's the exact birth time? When the conception occurs, or when the actual birth comes out, we come out of the belly? There's a lot of confusion in time. Think about all that. Aja Sarveshwara. Sarveshwara, Sarva Ishwara. This is a very simple word. It is for everybody's Ishwar. Ish we have talked about. Interestingly, Sarveshwara seems to be, we think that Sarveshwara word comes often in Vishnu Sahasranam. No, this is the only time it comes. Very interesting to think about that. Sarveshwara would be, you would think that there will be more Sarveshwaras in 1,000 names. No, it's only one. Aja Sarveshwara Siddhi, Siddha. Siddha means the person who has actually achieved. Siddha, therefore it is, when we say Siddha means proven. जो सिद्ध करता है, we used to do that in our geometry. Iti siddha. That means we are proving it. So siddha, one who has proven himself or herself, and proven to be what? Full. Everything, sampurnam. So siddha. But how? Through siddhihi, sadhana. That is the siddha siddhi. That means that the goal is the same, so also the instrument to achieve the goal. That's also the element of Vishnu. Sarvadi Achyuta. Sarvadi means before. Adi means before. With the very beginning. Adi. Sarvadi means with the very beginning. सृष्टि का जो मूल है, सब चीज वहीं से उत्पन्न हुई है. And Achyuta. Achyuta is a very simple word to recognize. Achyuta means one who does not waver. Achyuta. Achyuta. Like a means a negative. Aja means no janma. Same thing. Anytime a comes, that's a negative. Achyuta. One who is not wavering from what? That's the interesting part. Achyuta means from what? From inconsistencies. One who is, supposing you are very convinced about anything that you are able to do, you are able to talk to people, you are able to function, you are Achyuta in that category. You know you can cook well, you know you can function well, sing well, you can do certain things well. You are Achyut in that field. That confidence can come only through element of Vishnu. So when we do these prayers, we recognize that we live our life in that spirit of Vishnu. So let's think about this. Aja Sarveshwara Siddhi. Siddha. Siddhi Sarvadi Rachyuta. We finished 100 names at this point. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudichyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.